Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Y'all know I like to hop right into it. I'll be using two of these 10 by 10 inch canvases that I purchased from Dollar Tree. I know they are already white, but I'm going to go over them again with my white blossom spray paint that I purchased from Home Depot. I purchased these spoons from Dollar Tree, of course, and I'm going to cut all the handles off right about here. I'm positioning 4 spoons in the center before I glue them to my canvas. If you are going to recreate this, please use a stronger adhesive so your project can last over time. Now I'm gluing all the spoons around the entire border. This is what it's looking like so far, and for this next step, I'm just gluing more spoons to the center, making my flower fuller. This is the second canvas. I basically did the same thing. I just made the flower fuller and I added a gem to the center. And now I'm going to use the handles for this one. And just like that, I have this simple but yet beautiful wall decor, but I thought I could take it up a few notches, so just keep on watching to see the transformation. I'm using this bling wrap to add more detail to my projects. This bling wrap is self-adhesive, but I'm adding a little glue, and if you would like to purchase this bling wrap, I will leave the link down below in my description box. I'm adding some of this metallic tape as well. For this second piece, I just placed the bling wrap much closer to the spoons, and I did accidentally mess up right here. So I'm just going to add more glue, and then I'm going to fill this part with the small gems. This part was not planned at all, but I'm completely loving the results. I'm adding more of that metallic tape to my second canvas as well. I'm also adding a little fix all adhesive glue so the tape can stay in place. I don't know why y'all, but I don't be using measurements. My projects usually just turn out super neat. But if you are going to recreate this, please use like a ruler or some type of measurements so your project can turn out flawlessly. What a beautiful transformation. This is much more of my style. It's amazing what you can do with spoons from the Dollar Tree. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments. For project number 2, I'll be using the black 8x10 canvases, and I'm using that same bling wrap, and I'm going to place this around the border. This time I'm using the forks, and I'm going to glue them around the entire mirror. I'm wiping my mirror off before I proceed to the next steps, and I'm using these disco towels that I purchased from Dollar Tree a while back. If you are looking for these, they may or may not have these online or in stores because I have yet to see them again since I purchased these a while back. On to the second piece. For this piece, I'll just be using the handles. I'm making sure I pair a stronger adhesive with the hot glue so this project can last over time. If you look closely, you can see I'm gluing these down in an up-down pattern. This side is completed, so I'm just turning it over and I'm going to complete the same exact steps for this side. I'm using that same metallic tape, and I'm going to just place a strip right down the center. Then place 2 strips of this bling wrap right down the center as well. This was so easy to make, and I really didn't have a vision for this, but yet the results are amazing. Comment below and let me know which project is your favorite.